से बोलो श्री उमापति महादेव की जय. शिवाय नमः. अरे शिवाय नमः. एक बिल्वम शिवार्पणम. Dear friends, one of the worst things that we could do is to go through a life being against our own self. There's a beautiful mantra that goes, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change. Give me the courage to change the things that I can. Are Bhagwan, but also give me the knowledge to know the difference. Sometimes, as individuals, we have plans for ourselves. We have desires, we have goals, and we have dreams. And we set certain targets for our life and sometimes our family's life. And when the results are not exactly the way we want them to be, sometimes we think that we are failures. But in Sanatan Dharma, in Satya Sanatan Dharma, we are reminded that there is absolutely nothing like failure. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, Bhagwan Krishna, he is speaking management language, but he is speaking management language and he is whispering into the ear of Arjuna, his friend. We are all Arjunas in this world, friends. We are all the friend of Bhagwan, because he is reminding us that sometimes the mind can become our worst enemy, because the mind sometimes instructs or entertains negative thoughts that speaks a vocabulary that is unhealthy when it comes to our life and our outcomes. Dear children of Shanti Vandana, this is a major problem today. You see, many people have a war that is going on inside of them. They don't really like who they are. And I'm not speaking this morning about individuals who have certain disorders, whether it's manic depressive or suffer from chemical imbalances that create or stimulate depression. Today I'm speaking about those whose thoughts, who entertain and keep those thoughts, those negative thoughts dwelling in their mind, that they have that war going on inside constantly. Those individuals sometimes don't really like who they are. Dear friends, some people think that, Panditji, I am slow. Panditji, my child is not disciplined. Panditji, I am not as attractive as she is. Panditji, I am not as smart as he is. And like this, there is always a constant comparison between those individuals with low self-esteem and other people around them. Those individuals, they focus on their weakness, not realizing that this negative sense of themselves is the root cause of many of the difficulties they have in their life. You know, they can't get along in relationships. They're insecure. They don't enjoy their life. And it's largely, you know why, friends? Because they're not at peace with themselves and they're not happy with who they are. Today's conversation on Shanti Vandana, it is a reminder that we must first learn to love our own self. Are bhaiya, if you don't love yourself, if you don't have love, how can you give love? You see, I've met many people who think that their spouse is the reason that they can't get along in their marriage, or they're sure that it is their co-worker's fault all the time. And the fact is that they have a civil war. It is almost that mental civil war that is going on always inside of their minds. They don't look at themselves honestly. They don't look at their own thought patterns. They don't like where they are in life, and all they know that they're upset because the things around them are not going as they wish. You see, the symptom for those individuals, this is what they look like. Broken relationships, annoyed with the world, quick to get angry with the smallest stimulant around them. Always the world is at fault. And therefore, when an individual finds fault with everyone else all the time, and it is not sometimes a reflection of maybe your traits or your thinking, your negative thinking, dear friends, this is the symptom, or these are the symptoms when it suggests that it is time to look deeper inside. It cannot be that the world is wrong and I am the only one that is right. Sometimes these challenges, these negative thinking goes back to our childhood. It goes back, it is rooted in the distant past. And sometimes we find that the smallest triggers in our present day moments take us into such negative thinking that it makes no sense to the average or the reasonable mind. Today I'm asking you, my friends, if you are not in love with who you are, and I'm not saying be egotistical, walk around with an ego that fills the room. That's not what I'm suggesting. I'm saying, dear friends, if you are not feeling that you are a child of God, if you're not feeling that God loves you, if you're not feeling that, or rather if you're feeling that the world is against you, today I'm asking you to pause for a moment and look deep within yourself, very deep within yourself. Look into your past. You may require assistance to go back in your past to find out what is the root cause of some of the thinking, the unloving feeling that I have towards my life. Please join with this very beautiful bhajan done by members of the Railway Dharam Sabha, a new album that will be releasing for Father's Day. A song that I'm sure you will enjoy. Are Prabhuji, please join.